god, dude, it's freaking huge. Guys, it's going up the coast.
Little tornado here. Told you we were in the eye of the storm.
Oh, it's blowing past us. Look, right now.
It is a tornado.
That's a freaking water tornado, Teddy.
Check out those birds.
Okay, it's coming in.
Here comes the wind.
It's gonna make landfall. Here it comes. Guys, it's going past us. It's literally passing right now. Come here. It's literally going right past us. Holy crap. If it turns at all, run.
Run to the bathroom in our bathroom.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Holy crap. There's the power.
Fit in the middle of Manzanita.
God.
Oh my god.
Turn your friggin'. There goes. Power just blew out. Transformer.
Holy crap.
Oh my god, there's another surge.
Look at the eye. That's wild.
I told you this was like a freaking hurricane.
I told you it was a hurricane.
It's okay, Tay. It passed.
Going that way. Oh my god.
That thing's so powerful.
Those people's house
Holy crap, you guys.
the water.
It'll dissipate.